Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sanjay Gaikwad, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography and Research Center, Parvatibai Chogle College of Arts and Science, Madgaon, Goa. I welcome you all to the course Raster and Vector Data Models in GIS. The field of GIS where data may come from various sources. It may come from remotely sensed images, or it may be from any of the archive database available elsewhere, maybe the maps, atlas, sketches, diagrams, or the coordinate data pairs that are available for any kind of phenomena or events happening around you. So GIS deals with the integration of this all sort of data either in the raster format or in the vector format. So all sort of images or the scanned maps will come in the form of raster data, whereas all coordinate data, attribute data, or all other sort of archive data in the form of alphanumerical or numerical database will be integrated in a vector database. So in this term you are also dealing with similar sort of paper, that is raster and vector data models in GIS. Let us see the details of this paper. The course is 4 credit, 3 credits of theory and 1 credit of practical. The course introduces basic concepts and principles of GIS and emphasizes on the role of raster and vector data models. Student will be introduced data processing, transformation and visualization of data using various modules. At the end of course, student will be able to integrate raster and vector data models and also appreciate the role of these models in visualizing geographical outputs through GIS. Process and interpolation using 2D and 3D raster data models. Student will also be able to perform network analysis, cluster analysis, and will have understanding of projections and use it for spatial data presentation in GIS. We have 3 units in this paper. First covers GIS concepts, principles, geospatial data models, organization of GIS and system functionality. Unit first deals with map projections, coordinate system and transformation of data. Unit 2 deals with fundamentals of raster data models, metadata and data exchange, 2D and 3D raster data models, fundamentals of raster data models, raster data transformation. Similarly, Unit 3 deals with vector data, basics of vector data generation, fundamentals of vector data map queries, and statistical analysis using vector map. We'll also have advanced analysis using point data under the heading of point analysis and basics of network analysis. The practical component of this paper is divided into 2 units. Unit 1 deals with import of raster data, coordinate transformation system, raster map algebra, raster data transformation and interpolation, spatial analysis with raster data, and unit number 2 deals with vector data generation, network analysis, cluster analysis, transformation of raster to vector and vector to raster, and the last unit, last point, spatial interpolation using either Kriging or IDW. There are some reference book were suggested as well as supplementary readings, and there are some websites given a curriculum, so you can refer this. I will also like to discuss about the scores assessment scheme. There will be continuous assessment, there will be midterm test, and there will be practical assessment. We'll have 4 continuous assessments. One will be assignment, poster presentation, midterm test, and presentation and demonstration. This will be considered for 30 marks each. Best of these 2 will be taken for 30 marks. We'll also have semester end exam of 45 marks, and there will be continuous assessment of your practicals for 25 marks. So altogether it comes to 100 marks. We'll be using e-learning resources through CLAP, that is Chogle's Learn Anytime Anyplace, raster and vector data models in GIS 2020. The course code to access this is SI7JYDE. Thank you.